Edo Edona Wata. Edo Edona Wari. Edo Edona Wisdom. Edo Edona Wuwa. Wahia Bedana Edona Wira. Edona Wuyemi wa Bedana. Avec mon ça, avec de ça de dans la Friday, ni bien suku ça. Et wahia do de wama, wabo we o, waba o, wabota o, dade waje. Oh, wado tota o dans d'autore do na wan. Wado tota o dans d'autore do na wan. O kare do na wan. Mami kina jire ekedemakede. Eni wa we owa no ma ekedokede. Ekedian ye. Oh, we talking ekedon ye. Owa no ma ekedokede. Ekedon ye. Ama we talking ekedon ye. So dani ma ho ni ma ekedemakede manedo. Edo na wata, edo na wari, edo na wa, edo na wizamo. Waya do wama. De wama de gbera wahia. Waniro wake wanirishi. Wado emu ame boya ma. Bera bije boya ma. Odo kebe mo boya ma. Nwinu wa bo de obe ki ase. Akoyo. Ma eniye so na waria ma orion de mama gogoji. No kan pa iye no kwa. Iye oge ma oge governor oge manede. Ye loki benedion mi ye fiya. Akoya wakam ria ima en mayati ebebe. Wegbegbe. Niyan salibwa don ye don ri ofure na egbe ni o egbe benedion. Yan ya fe koka me ko ye ke governor ke mo ko ame ke tanko se. Yon ya fe no yitan die egbe benedion. Niyan salibwa no fu yan re o. Isso. O di mande ru ngisa na ya so o elden there. No nya ma osanoboa. Mapon o maroru o wo kede na wonya de ekenu ye de kegbere ekenu ye edenamu wonwe adokun osanoboa wodua weso pologbe woji ma wo wa pa we ni maharagbon maharagon giwe ni maharaga mahalelewe ma we ga ni wagbona ma we go we aro fi edede de wagbon opa uyo wo salobo edegbe mi ya ma we mose e wan no rakhie ni wan fi ja ma mi an salobo era ma no yo bo we an ko no da ya meve o ya ore o no ki ameve ya ore o wo no ri ofure yi an I said inte vagbon ama bo no mu we salobo era wa wo ufu ya fe o riore no ki ameve wa o na fu egbe ebi agu ya salobo era wa magane ma ewere gbe we maki. And we came not in swim, I got away my money. The Bama would in my hour than there. Ye my a kid market de manedo. Na making away, it don't shake it my yera. Mamma ya dege, a kid my idiot. Oh, where ya can 1 year one yami. Who to wet the lawyer in the Masalobo. Chambreau, Kimabu Yobuyo, la ho. Evan Martina do Guman, because I get Bania. Mabuyo, and when I went to our loud out, I think we don't all money bueno. Jesus Christian on Yama, he said, Wahia, he said, it over here, no, tota. I didn't hack, day one, whatever we had, I didn't know, whatever we had. A temen, my bar, a muyo, a book, Patricia Waters, Wawakari, a book. My okay, ye, my yen, and I, the would give all. Oh, Andrea Amato. My radio back off when you for the one. Andrea Amato, a book. Yannick, what we are here, we are allowed. My test one, you wouldn't give you so we. My way for then I have the way to be away. You give me so we will. Macabre, oh. Well, okay. Obey, should have been here while we answer. Okay. Obey, Okpa Yakin, Okpa Yakin, so Pam, Madame, or now Wuga. My have making out the guys, 7 say. Obey, you are better. If you not me, yo, every logo ye, but aware my do gay. Okay, now I am where you born out, you born no, Eva. Even in my mind, very happen what? No, my mind, no, you are a winner. No, you are working on do. Yeah, well, Babanania, who's all a naked on we day, eh, no, they know. No, we would a big day, but the vine rabuki, right? But the vine who came put on. Eh, in a cana, I see your cocoa. Even an hour, na near do. Even near an hour when I am winning when Annie. Eh, ya drinking, my yard there love your ray. Yeah, wait a minute, my yard there love your ray. Oh, at a never you go no. Oh, Lord, I let no. Oh, to a I be to know. Oh, Peleben, I am made to know. Oh, Agbadan, I have snake card no. If you came no, my Adeli have a shebo. I don't know where don't if you don't know any don't know. Oh, go ahead, no. I'll be any, I'll go ahead. I wouldn't ask you, and I do a key. You're when I near ní àwẹ̀ màwágbọ̀n ní àwẹ̀ tọ̀hún ní àwẹ̀ bíàfíàn gbé ẹ̀dẹ́ ìpẹ́dẹ́ barabuki òkìnà àdúẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́wà ẹ̀dọ́nọ́bàyè ìsọ́sí mani nà ọ̀rẹ́ Baptist High School TV Road ànáwẹ̀ màkàbẹ̀ wẹ̀wẹ̀ July ìpẹ́dẹ́ nìyànjẹ̀ July àwẹ̀ wẹ̀rẹ̀ gbé wọ́wẹ̀ náà ẹ̀dẹ́ màwẹ̀ àwẹ̀ kan káwẹ̀ tí yà máa wà sí to it's an advertisement it's an announcement. On December 18, 2021, 11 o'clock in Benin City, Nigeria, we are going to do the commissioning, the enablement commissioning. Okay. Enablement commissioning. That simply means one thing. We have sent some people for vocational training. Whatever kind of vocational training they like, we train them. Now, we are purchasing all the things they need to go and practice and start their own business. According to what they say they need, we will purchase them. Our church will purchase them. Bishop Agawa Ministry, Stephen Agawa Ministry, and All Saints Christian Assembly. All Saints Christian Assembly. That's our church. We will purchase these things and we will endow the people who have been trained. Whatever they need to start their own personal business, we will endow them and keep them on that day, free of charge. We will give them free of charge so that they can start their own personal business. Take note of this. If you have people in Benin, tell them to attend. It will happen in the chapel of Baptist High School, Benin City. God bless you. Ibota Oredo. You know. Today we will continue with our Edo history of Ogiso dynasty in Igbo-Domingodo. Edo history of Ogiso dynasty in Igbo-Domingodo. Okay. History is important to us. It is said that those who don't know their history, they don't know where they are coming from. People who don't know where they are coming from, they don't know where they are. People who don't know where they are, they don't know where they are going. We're tracing our Edo history. It's a beautiful history. Oka Oredo. Orogiso be Igbo-Domingodo. Oka Oredo Orogiso be Igbo-Domingodo. Mata de na kere ade. Ore itoro e na ne ode ko upa. Okay, already Friday no day. Ayan ya otore Ogisofo. Tore na no the hiyon. Ayan toro ko Ogisofo. I did not type for Edo. Eye Osabi Yobo. No Reho Osato Holland. Holland. Obokian. Madege wo Obokian. Osabi Yobo. Koyo Nani Kai Woku. So we continue with the history. All right. This is what we call acknowledgement. An acknowledgement is to acknowledge, to tell people that what we are doing now, we read some books, and the books which we read is where we get the information from. We read some books, we read some material on the internet or in the library or wherever. So when we read those books, we got information from the following people. So you will know that all these things we are saying, we're not saying it from our own heart or from our head. No, they have been documented. Look at it. Most of what we are saying, most of the facts are from, look at it, EdoAffairs.com. EdoAffairs.com. That's where we got the history. You also can read it. If you put that on your internet, on your computer, you will find it. Okay? The story of Igbo-Domingodo and the names in Igbo-Domingodo. You see? Thank you. So we will continue from where we stopped. The other day we stopped at the 24th Ogiso. Ogiso the 24th. Today we go on to the 25th. Ogiso 24. The 24th Ogiso was Ogiso Odalige. That's where we stopped the other day. So today we go on to the 25th. Ogiso Uwa. Ogiso Uwa. We are treating for Ogiso today. For Ogiso today. Number one is Ogiso Uwa. Ogiso Uwa. He was the 25th Ogiso. Ogiso number 25. So we have come a long way. Ogiso number 25. In Igodo Migodo. See it? This Ogiso inherited a rich kingdom. A rich kingdom. His father, Ogiso Odalige, worked so hard and he became rich. So Ogiso Uwa inherited a rich kingdom. Many things were already in place for him. Okay? That is very nice. That's very nice. Okay, but this Ogiso Uwa was a luxury lover. Was a lover of luxury. You know what people do when they are luxurious? They will always like the big stuff. You know what I mean? If you give them anything little, they don't appreciate it. They want the big one. They want the big cars, the luxurious cars, fanciful cars. They want the big houses, beautiful houses. You see what I mean? They love the beautiful dresses, the fashionable dresses, gold and silver. They love to eat big food, the kind of food that nobody has eaten before. So this Ogiso was a lover of luxury. A lover of luxury. We said he inherited a rich kingdom. So he had enough money, enough wealth to play with. Some people are like that in real life. A lover of luxury. He introduced brass work. He introduced brass work into Igodo. That was a very good thing. Before him, there was no brass work going on. We had blacksmith the other day. But now, this Ogiso Uwa, he introduced brass work. You know, when you go to the computer, you'll be hearing of Edo bronze, Edo brass work that they carried away to Europe in those days. And they are planning to bring them back now. Those brass work, bronze, brass work, beautiful things. This Ogiso Uwa, he was the one that introduced it to Igodo Migodo. They did not try. He tried. Even though he was a luxurious Ogiso, but he introduced a very important business that could make the kingdom rich again, or richer. So we now know very well that this brass work or bronze is what the Benin people are very proud of. And we are gifted. So we know now that Ogiso was a beginner of this business in brass work. So we give him hand. He did a very good job. And as of today, our people are still doing this brass work, bronze work. If you go to Igun Street in Benin, you know what I'm talking about. Igun Street. Igueron. People who specialize in brass work, in bronze work. When we go there, you see what they do is marvelous. It is marvelous. When the Europeans return all the bronze that are in Europe, when they return them to Benin, you will see for yourself It has been a long time that the Do people know brass work. This Ogiso Uwa. He introduced it to Igodo Migodo. Let's clap for Ogiso Uwa. He was a great Ogiso and he did a very good job. Every one of these Ogisos, they have their own special talent. And later on, when we shall be treating the king, the Obas, you will also see what I'm talking about. Each one has its own special talent. Just thank God for Ogiso Uwa. So I don't go to my TV Ogiso Odolige. Odolige very ye. Oni ha Ogiso Npoge enanyoge. Na, ma do so esuan o. Ogiso Uwa, e so egbe. Ogiso Uwa. We don ya the Ogiso. Ogiso Npoge isenya uge. Ogiso Uwa. Ogiso Npoge isenya uge. Aza Ogiso akade de kakekade. Ogiso Igodo. Ogiso Jordan Kekade. Ana do kase isenya uge. Ogiso Uwa yo no mo opogie isenya uge. Ogiso Uwa no. Eyan kadi egie efe. Ori egie efe. Ona di egie efe. Ba yo ni kai. Era wa kun ayo uto. Egeni na do ri egie na do mi owe. Efe ware igodo migodo. Efe. Edo na buwa. Efe igoro. Efe ba iro. Efe mana gbon pataki ro. Efe oge mata ro. Efe oge mi na ya hen gbe oro. Efe oge wa we mata na ba we mata oro. Yena ido afun ebu wefe. Ko we. E ma so gele we ro. De ra uyo uto. Ira ge pa ye do ori egi oge fe. Ogiso Uwa. Iyan gele lori egi Uwa. Wa go ni o se na ti Uwa. Iyan to dori egi Uwa so bo. Uwa. Da Ogiso de ya ki aga yo. Ori egi Uwa. Ye ke ya ofun emi. Ona be ya ori emi. Ofun emi. Ori emi. Eye ga ki. Ona ofun emi. Yen dori efe Uwa. Awon ni wa adagun wa ni. Egi so obo. Ona wa fun Oh! Ona wa fun Ona ga ri emi. Do we ma che ri emi. If you re we ri emi. Ori emi. Yen na wa ri emi. Ona adagbe ona adamuna na afi ogokwa. Igoro. Iba iro. Emi na ya han gbe. Yen ye mi ke mi na kere iwe mi. Yen na wa fe ni. Emi na ya han gbe no konkon eyin ya we mi. Emi na han gbe no konkon. Bi game yo. Bi game. Upon e ayo. O fi wana. O de o jana bo. A share oboda. Okura. O wa ni adia. Oye gedegbe ni ma che gedege. Oye wana. Agadi ami okoto. Na ite imoto. Supa evike mi ni ga lo o ai no mase. No Moses. Agboya wa abo kan. Iyan la be separate kuya. ya gwa aba ukanya ye mwana ayo de mwana yena ga fun evi ona ga ri evi ona fun mi no ona ri evi wọ́n ti wà lọ́wọ́ lórí ọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àá fún ẹ̀mí náà rí èmi àgbà òkútọ̀ mo dáná fún ẹ̀mí gbé dárí èmi gbé ọ̀rẹ́ èmi nà láìmí ọ̀kúyọ̀ o ó fún ẹ̀mí ọ̀rí èmi ọ̀sùn èrò àṣà rẹ̀ igodo mi godo ògì sọ wà yẹn sún èrò àṣà rẹ̀ igodo mi godo. Ibasa. Non sono. Poi Ibasa. Ibasa è una sa. Manedo manase obi igwen asai obi da ya wehe. Obi na ya wehe. Obi no esolobo wa ya we ni agwa we gbe video. O se do se ge guso wa na. Ehi ni ma re ogido bigodo ogiso na yo do nwere ibasa ibama dena we no ye don say oban yama wa ge odo shekuku ehun na ya we ni oze na ya we ni odo shekuku odo go wani odo ogele wa we odo sai aya mo yere o yan mo la dia o we den ya we he me ma o yan do we ogele wa ko wani gan o pe mi no kwa ege na be bona re do gu ma ne do ko e ba sabe ba mana awa shegbu ye gwa ba oyibiri e dekere Habe boni dia do yang ge ya we irabe. Ya na edo ya wa emi o. Wo wa ge ni awa se bi asai egwe ehun na sai emi na ma. Ona vie ya o. Eya ma ga fie. Yana ga sile yuko yana la yuko yana si ya gbo yana mo ari ewu yan oni magi na ya kege ni ga do ni avie mi manima e ba ni ya do ka ni ya viore ya ta o eso wo ya wi ya viore ba ya ho batakede o suki ha na kita na we am fiore e vini bu se video we e kida abio yi akara ma we pon mo no ba le do ku apolopolo ba e wa e ogun yan bo wa ko e na abio yi abi pon so lo bo e vini na kana o mo se gbe o igo re e bo ya kwa yan e vina una e na sana wa yi egun ehun we do Who doing groom? Was he doing groom the wicked and now get saving? It was sa. When I saw the way them Salabawa Yabuma. Mumia Wabe and all the team will be radio. Ekbo Okiso wa young son. If the Sabawa Yahweh no robo, right here. Ah, we man do where man Baokoto. Ima wa be owi wemi. Ogi wa sana. Owi wemi. Wa na sa eka. O wa wi wemi. Awa do boy. O wa ti ya jipo ho Yahoo e na sana. O ti am puza. O be na ya la wi wemi ni e be na ya la jan he wo. boy do ko do ni do awe obi man na do. Area way. Let me know somebody wo ma ya hio. Yeah. Institute of Brass Work. Institute of Edo Crafts and Arts. The whole institute. The man like the Ryan and our way near away. A fake book. A face aqua. No matter matter be my temu, or managa, manavo. Without or kid man, a wee winning, or a grown. We need to have a whole institute of artwork, Benin artwork. The whole institute, where people can go and get certificate, they learn and get certificate. People can go and learn and get a degree. And they will go and establish, we enable them to go and establish their own brass work. And people from other parts of the world will come and enroll their themselves or their children to learn brass work. It's an industry of rich wealth, heavy wealth. Let us don't say we don't have anything to do, we don't have job. Many of us are blessed. God has blessed our fingers. We'll be very good in that kind of thing. Edo! What the hell? Abe Kaheme, Abe Nigi, Abe John Way, Abe Fiseke, Wayamu yo. Benitana, Wayao yo. And the best we were get a bear. Yedova. Abe Manu, and I asked Savvy Hena. Then I have many evidence Savvy Hena. Every I do all Manami River. Emmanuel, I want university now. But now, young, my day, I go what you might want never do. I walk him out. I don't go. Wagon time, wagon way. Let Edo establish an institute of Edo art and craft work, so that people can come and learn. To spend 1 year to get a certificate, spend 2 years to get a diploma, spend 3 years to get a degree. When you get out of there, we will find how to enable you to start your own business of brass work, and you become rich. You don't have to pay. You don't have to have. You don't have to move soil. It's a science. The benefit of science, my Yahweh, everything. Even within all on top. Manado, I want to talk, I want to talk. Oh, don't na. Better I allow her. Better if I hear without Naka. Ekena Namio, Ekena now, I na. I don't benefit your. Odo awansa odo ye nwana manado always ati we ne gbima eto ni obo na egwa la ho mena ga owa yimi a no mweso Edo Institute of Arts and Crafts, Edo Art Work. Let there be a school where people can come and learn. You can learn and get a certificate. You can learn and get a diploma. You can learn and get a degree. People will come from other parts of Africa. People will come from Asia. People will come from Europe to learn in Edo, in Benin City. in Edo Institute of Arts and Crafts and Artwork. They have seen it already in Europe. All over the world, they have seen Edo artwork. They have seen it. Let them come and learn. Edo, let us build an institute. Obonoba, or talk about la hot yo. Tiedo no fe. Abe fiseke. Chenigi. Nakamia na mwebo. Edo artwork. The Edo is a center of culture. It can be number one. In fact, that one will also be a part of the Edo Institute of Artwork. It will be a department. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Edo Center of Cultural Center that is already in existence in Edo there. My mentor, Igile, is an administrator there. The Baba Dr. Ehijamusa was there before too. So we're not saying we should start from scratch. No, we already have started. But what I'm saying is that we should elevate it, enhance it, and make it a whole institute, a whole university, a whole college. Okay. Edo. Iwasa Edo. Abegere go ye wana. Ai do ai yon wana be lao. Aga la denebo ewi na vani aye asonge awu. Ni ebe fe. Abe yobone. Ibi do fe. Ewi ni ama de ewi ni na wu, ewi ni do wu, ewi ni asa, ewi ni ama do ase koko pupo. Abe ase ye webo Igor renren. Ibi do fe. Ewi na me aya fe. Osalaba mu ekun wa ni mane o ni ma ti laiwa ni ma pa ibare o omo no ba meno Stephen Yale Kosa aga wa ogio hen bishop eki ala na pie yo That's a second. That already already 5 million, 10 million, 1 million. Yes, Coco. Upoda na here na 2022. That means a school in a mwebo, a boy. They can do not cook. Okay, haka. I'm a boy. Okay, haka. Yeah. Ebasana, eboma. Ebasana, Russia bound, America bound. Manedo, Osalba Yaguma. Ogisowa, Omuelado, Ogisowa. Ebasa. No sooner Ebasa. Do you want to was your Bob? Wagun tie, wagun nana, wagun way, while I ho. Oh, yeah, what they go dig again. Awa! I don't know, dear. If the Salabaya women may have or Concombo. Yeah, one. My you got her and dog. Yogi Mana Magabi, when I got her and dog. A favorite, but if you don't know why we in a sudden, no one go, no one fail, or do our boom, you don't fail, your bomb is so, you fail, your bomb is so, you don't fail, your bomb is so. Well, I will. It might be no. It might be no. I don't know why I haven't it. I don't total. I'm an internal. I don't human Magba do Kina, or having a tunnel. I go away with Ogisowa, or one boy, Ibasa. Ogisowa, he started it. He introduced brass work to Igodo Migodo. Brass work to Igodo Migodo. Brass work is the same thing as bronze. The kind of works that the Europeans carried away from Benin in 1897. That's what we are praying for them to return now. You have heard the story. You have heard the story. It started in the days of Ogisowa, 767 to 821 CE, Christian era. This Ogiso introduced it to Benin. I am saying that we can build a university of Edo brass work, Edo art work. It will be having different departments. Department of carving, department of brass, department of sculpture. Yeah, oh, come here. We can do this. I am calling upon you, Baba. I am calling upon you. I, Bishop Stephen Yalekota Arawa. Lahowowo. Let us build an institute called the University of Edo Art Work. If we call it so, to be so. People go to university to learn about petroleum. People get to the university to learn about geology, the thing that is inside the ground, to go and be looking for it and digging it out. This one we are talking about now is what we already know. We already know it. Let us build 2022. Let us build Edo University of Edo Art Work. Other people from other parts of the world, they will come and learn from us. God gave us the gift. It started in the days of Ogisowa, in the 1st century AD. All the people get together. Enige get together. Edo Were get together. Edo businessmen get together. Edo philanthropists get together. Edo billionaires get together. Edo millionaires get together. Edo Tanzanians get together. Let us put it together and let it happen in 2022. I am begging. I have removed my hat, my cap for you. I'm begging you. I'm not a politician. I'm a man of God. But this is God's blessing upon our people. When the Europeans came in 1897, they marveled. They marveled, at what our people had already done from the days of Ogisowa. We can emphasize it, we can refine it, we can institutionalize it. We need to institutionalize it. It will be a center of tourism. People will come from everywhere in the world. They will not be here, you bow. I said, think I. Maybe what you know. They are ready. Oh, you know. You Salubwa, Evanitana, you know, Fiangbe. Who your room and your Gela or Hion or Monobanado, Polo or by a wire, no forgiver. Gela Hionge Niki Jaffe, Gela Hionge, Yoga do Jaffe, Naitia, a doctor of philosophy. Gela Hionge Guhen Jaffe, Gela Hionge, Aleph is a carry, get to the way go. I have checked Coco down with Megbo, Edo, University of Edo Art Works. You put on and then an island and gave one who Saloba Woodwa. The whole gave one. The whole year, oh, who can make your man. A hono him and a tana near around your war. Near around your war. na gele we don we ma ami wu ta mo ya fe ayi bu edo yo ado age mi ni ma we na ma wa yi ami yin bi edo ya fe ti ayin bi do fe na e wo na do fe abi a si egbo ye bu bo hin iro petekpe so lo bo do ibi anu pase yo me we ni Jesu Christi no nyama ise abi yo won ya we wa geme wa gbise yo Andrea Mato, Patricia Waters, Lucky Abwedefi, Glory Yamu, Wagbise yo, Grandiose, Wagbise yo, a Friday or more, Wagbise yo. The next Ogiso is Ogiso or oh, sorry. Ogiso Eheneden. Ogiso Eheneden. It was Ogiso during these years, 821 to 878. 877. No, 871, sorry. 50 years. It was the 26th Ogiso in Igodo. 26th Ogiso in Igodo. Damo Alaji. Ipadamo Alaji. Eri mbanga Alaji rile. Otiemena. Ya ye mi niwa ataban oguchieme. Alaji rile eri mano. Bedu America. Damo evenita ban ya yuguchieme. Magwan. Iye wa gwan fu gwan be television na. Gwan we for no. What talk by Ogiso Eheneden. They're gonna see the time it came. Okay. 821 to 871. It was the 26th Ogiso in Igodo. That is Benin City. 26th Ogiso. Ogiso was 25. This is the 26th. All right? Okay. He inherited expanded kingdom wealth. This Ogiso inherited expanded kingdom wealth. I told you just now, Ogiso inherited a lot of wealth. Now, his son is now Ogiso. He also inherited expanded kingdom wealth. Kingdom wealth means more than money. It means land, it means territory. It means means of livelihood. It means good job. It means employment. It means good health. It means happy people. You see what I mean? Good business, good markets, good city, expansion of cities and territories. He did not just sleep over his wealth. He inherited wealth, yes. He didn't sleep over it. He expanded it. You see it? And that's what we should learn from these our old ancestors. So whatever our fathers leave for us, we should expand it. We should work to expand it, to make it greater. All right? Okay, so he inherited a wealthy kingdom. All right. Then he improved on the arts and crafts that he met. Aha! He improved on it, on the art and craft. We just talked about art and crafts. You remember Ogiso? He introduced the brass work into Igodo. Now his son improved the work that his father did. Oko! He improved on it. So all of us have the duty to improve on what our ancestors did. That is the rule of life. Anywhere you are, improve on what you met. Okay, so he improved on the arts and crafts of Benin, of Edo. All right? Okay. Then he practiced agriculture. I love that. He practiced agriculture. Agriculture is the production of food in sustainable degrees. This Ogiso, he practiced it. He made farms. He established food houses. And there was plenty to buy and sell in the markets. We have good land in the Edo Kingdom. We have good land in the Edo Kingdom. What the Ministry of Agriculture is doing now didn't start yesterday. It started in the days of Ogiso Ehenede. When you have good land and you have good weather, you have no excuse for not being good agriculturists. We are those. We have to be exporting everything edible. Everything edible. From palm oil to yams, to plantain, to cocoyam, to vegetables. We have to be exporting. In America here, we buy plantain that is brought from Ghana. Yam brought from Ghana. Why don't we buy yam that is brought from Benin? From Benin City or from Nigeria? You see what I mean? Yeah, do. Oko, wahai gavi obogwa oda moya ya. Eri mango Ehenede nyega agbugbo. Boy ikeni mana tin gbugbo. Mama oto, mama ame, mama onve. Hija. Gayo. Ogiso Ehenede. Yoga Ogiso nukpogie ehanyangie. Migodo. Ogiso oge pogie hanyangie migodo. Ogiso Ehenede. Gayo. Yedege efe. Arioba nove. Odiege efe. Arioba nove. Arioba na dove. Begerai. Yena do riege ni ekebe fe no ro. Nami o sa ye fe we. Ogiso Ehenede. Le ba se ba gayo. Odole era yoboru yi. Odole era yoboru yi. Ekata banwe ra Ogiso wa. Yon so ebasa. Oye la ge na ido lapo. Ona do dole na yoboru ni ona dole yi. Metaba. Aweru nota odun be. Mekaba. Ogiso Ehenede dole mi na yi. Mana do ma we gbe dole mi ne. Ogiso Ehenede wu ma dole yi. Wala ho wo. Pe ni ke wa Ebenigbe. Usi egbebo. O ti ti egbebo ebe na. Eriwe mi wa o. Eriwe mi wa papa ho. Eya mi wa. Eya mi wa na do. Wala ho. Waja koko dole do yi wala ho. Ba ye ke papa no yo ntie ma wo. Wala ho. Kagwa kenige wala ho. Kedion kigele wala ho. Kakase kebe ohen wala ho. Ke mama mi owo bio wala ho. Karioba kibiebo wala ho. Kedizeki kediga wala ho. Kiyoko kolapa wala ho. Ediro wa kebe dirisi wala ho. Nando dole doji wala ho. Nedome do wama wala ho. Nobe ga yebe nene webo. Nekbe ne yele mbe da radio. Baby wadene o. Wala ho. Ogiso Ehenede ne Ehenede. Ona di egbe ye eme owe no gbogbo. Ori egbe ye eme owe no gbogbo. Ogiso Ehenede. or not ye be yo. Or my you know, why agbo, ye not ye be yo. Or not get a agbo, oh, bugger. A bath of a bottle don't pa. Ogo we, na ha, you gun. I do I yan ye ru. I don't mean that ekbo okpa. I don't mean that ekbe va ewe. I don't mean that no ha ewe va ha. Edo. It is a lot by a woman, any tata bonano. By a ha and fee a woman. Awa. Why I mamma said him with a wibble. You can I am Yawibble. Young Morgan the Yawibble. Or we can get the man do be a mortgage the Yawibble. Maybe I'm Yawibble. Maybe I'm a car Yawibble. Oh, Tori Mamma. I hold a woman. I'm man of a woman. Over you, a woman. If you're part of the audio to a woman, I guess so. Awa! Why, Yahweh, okay, why my backman will him and you. Why, Yahweh, Awa! Maybe have other to okay, so Canada, you're not ye be ye, or ye be ye, in winner or where no bubo. Okay, my be yo. You just want to Ogiso or weather. Ogiso or weather. It was the 27th Ogiso. 27th Ogiso. He introduced the system of ministerial government. He introduced the system of ministerial government. This Ogiso, what is the system of ministerial government? It's what we know and call ministry today. Ministry of Works, Ministry of Economic Development, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Health, Ministry of this, Ministry of that. Look at him. Ogiso Weather. He started it. You see, the ministry, idea of ministerial system did not come from Weibo country. We had it before they came here. See it now. See it. He introduced the system of ministerial government. Ministerial government, ministry, service, public service, civil service. You hear? Ministry of where people serve. It was Ogiso or where they started it in Benin Kingdom. So when the British came, they found and saw that we were organized. We had a ministry there already. What have your brother do? Woo! He developed the guild system. He developed the guild system. He developed it. What is the guild system? We talked about brass work just now. Those people were there. They were doing their brass work here and there. Already before now, we talked about, you remember the Ogiso who introduced carpentry. You remember that? So the carpenters were already there. Then we talked about the one Ogiso who introduced sculptor. So the sculptor people, they were already there. You remember the Ogiso we said was the blacksmith? You remember? Ogiso the blacksmith. So the people who were doing blacksmith, they were already there. Blacksmith, the sculptor, the carvers, the carpenters, and then the brass work. So this Ogiso, he introduced the guard. So everyone will have a guard, the guard of brass workers, the guard of sculptors, the guard of carvers. You see? Yeah. What Bobona do? Clap for do. That was in the 1st century. So you see, the Europeans, they don't come to teach us all this. We had them before they even came. This was 1st century AD. The guard system. This Ogiso was not considered a strong ruler. He didn't have a tough iron hand. So he was not considered a strong ruler. But he introduced a very important thing. He organized the art workers into different guilds. Guild of carvers, guild of brass workers, guild of carpenters, guild of sculptors. Even though he was not considered a strong, fist-handed Ogiso. Ogiso Owede. No, it's a Ogiso Owede. Ogiso Owede. No, Ogiso Henada. Ogiso Nupoge Ihion Nyaugi. Ogiso Nupoge Ihion Nyaugi. Ogiso na. Ogiso Owede. Obion. Yeah. Oh yeah. Uko. Uko. Yon yare. Uko. Debi no uko. Uko e wana gie uhuna ya nwina. O do ninye mama. Uko. Ete sege ni uko maro dadogo woge. Wana do uko yo yen do mama evina ga wu edena awe abdo ninye ma onogyo. Ordinarily, a ministry of works, ministry of health, ministry of this. Who called and get who now it's a civil service, civil servant. Who called servant? Who called servant? The minister of health, minister of education, minister of what they do. Who don't know do? In when who call you yare? Oh. Nuyare, oye, ukori. Yeah, omwe, otu, onwe ndagbo. Yeah, omwe, otu, onwe ndagbo. Ayo ni kai. Makata ne bawe, iwanso na aka oko. Iwanso na aka ha. Iwanso na onwe na nobuwa. Iwanso na ile menogbegwe. Wayeria. Ala do ta na we ban so na do asa it's una ni du egun. Ogiso da ire ona do mu anan. We ni da do wo ge zigi. Oh. Tukpa na won na. Awon tu. Otu oge ma no kairan. Na awon tu otu ya. Ma no bo wa. Ya awon tu ya. Otore ma no memi no on my otu ya otu e ma no ata no sevi ya ma sa big drink on ya ma otu ya do one my uta na bawe yan we mu ko ministry of this ministry of that e we taba o na ministry of this ministry of that we ga mu la oge e ma no sevi na. Let us extend the ministry to art and works. There's no ministry of arts and works. But you see, that's Ogiso Owede. Ege Oma Wegbe. Ege Oma Wegbe. Oma Yobon to Mabu. Only Ege Ban Wegbe. If you go on Salabaya war, everyone here to kill. Everyone you born on tomorrow. So, Ogie on Tagano, Ogie Tagano. The last for today. Ogiso Oduwa, see when it rained. It was the 28th Ogiso in Ikodomigodo. Ogiso Oduwa. 28 Ogiso in Ikodomigodo. See it? He experienced serious rebellion in the kingdom. During his time, there was serious rebellion in the kingdom. Some people saw all the wealth that the former Ogiso had built. Some people saw the improvement and the industry of people in the land. But some people, they're just troublemakers. They don't like good things. So at that time, there was rebellion in Igodo Migodo. Rebellion here, rebellion there. And that's about 50 years, 1517 to 917 to 927, 937, 947, 957, 967, 50 years. Rebellion everywhere. I feel so bad about that. All the prosperity we'll be talking about, rebellion came and spoiled them. So he could not control the kingdom. Okay, so Oduwa, he could not control the kingdom because of 2 months rebellion. When there is too much protest, when there is too much criticism, the rulers cannot rule well. You hear that? That's what happened to Ogiso Oduwa. No keke. Oh yeah. Ogiso Oduwa. Ogiso no pogie. Nya ogie. Enya aki mi godo. Ogiso Oduwa. Ogiso no gie upogie. Enya ogie. Enya aki. Emanibu. Ebodibu. Yanke yiga. Boligi. Vege oye egoye. Emanibu ke yiga boligi vege oye. Ebon matabano wa feyo wa mayo. Oyi sego gisona. Emanibu na wadwa boligi. Makata na ba we egira oban yo bonoton mo wa. Ege ni elu ya ogiso ni a. Ebodibu na ro a ogiso owo ai. Rundo ni adwa boligi. Ni adwa boligi. Ọtọ wa Ogiso pẹ́ o. Boy máa ń gbà ẹ́. Ọba yìí sẹ̀tìn kànyà àríọ́bá Igodo Migodo. Ọma yìí sẹ̀tìn kànyà àríọ́bá Igodo Migodo. Fún dẹ́ olígi ni wọ́n yà gbé. Ebe àwọn gbólígi gbé ọ̀nà sọ wọn kí wọ́n ẹ̀yí èmi náwó. Iyo bodo wana odi ne ono so wonke o ne agwezi yo na boligi na yinu zama ibi ke no wani wo ga yinu zama ma na do gwo ni gbe ma gbe na yibo eri awo Ogiso na oba yen no wo boy ma gba o máa ń sẹ́tì kànyà àríọ́bẹ́ni. Ọ̀dẹ́kẹ̀ ukpa máa tó kó Ogisofo. Ọ̀dẹ́ Friday náà dé ẹ máa tó kó Ogisofo. Máa hàn gẹ́gẹ́ táfò rúndàbò ìbípo sótọ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ Uzọ́lé Ìbàdàn ìdẹ̀gbẹ́dẹ̀ ìbípo ní kiri ẹ̀yẹ. Uzọ́lé Ìbàdàn ìwọ́dẹ̀gbẹ́dẹ̀ ìbípo ní kó àyàgẹ́jẹ́. Ndọ́ni Uzọ́lá ẹ̀dẹ́ Friday náà dé náà ìmàwé máa tẹ ẹ̀hún Ogiso dáná táfò. I say by Owodo. No, I say by Kaladena. So one more Friday, we will finish with the Ogiso history and dynasty. Because the other Friday and the other Friday will be Christmas and New Year evening. So we will try to finish this coming Friday. Wahia Wadi. You can't tell so and see Wakero. I already said a few things before you came. Look at this. This is an advertisement. We told you all along that we are training people in a different vocation that they liked. So on Saturday, December 18, that's a week from tomorrow, in Benin City, Nigeria, we are going to endow all those people we have trained. There will be 22 of them. 22. We're going to endow them, enable them. We'll buy for them all the things they need to start their personal business. We will give them free of charge so that they can go and start their personal business. We have told you this, and we are bringing it to pass. God will bring it to pass next week. If you have people in Benin, tell them to go and see it. It will happen in the Baptist High School Chapel. Baptist High School Chapel on TV Road on this day. Pagayo Ebo. Nakamwa where man siabuko could my Miami. Na Miami Buano. Okadokade. Uza nakere no gide ogako no iwe bede. Ma si yanko kowe so si no re Baptist High School be TV Road bedo. Ibani mana yawia. Ayawia. Ebi ya fe ni awe, ebi ni ari gwalo, ni ya adu ekiobian. Ima ade lo na vio ni ya. Ai ya ni ya ogo he. Ai de lo ya ni ogo he. Na o ma oge gbe no do ge. No iwe so si ma yon wi hen. No we e go so si no wen wi hen. We no do ge ni ya. E so si we ye mi no wa. Ima ade le ni ya igwalo. Na ya adu ekinegbu ya. Ima ade lo ma idolo ma ija ni ya ogo he. Ni ya kiana ya adu ekinegbu ya. Eja ibe we ni se edo wa ho ya. Wa he ni ta. Wa ma edo wu no kan ya ga. Wana o ma oge don doge. Uyo so do gbadun dazi don yagbun kibe yin. Eri mata se na. O ma ga ma mi no ho na gwa kan o gbare ni daga. If you have anything you want us to discuss or any topic you want me to put into pastoral counseling, please write it out and send it to me. Write it out and send it to me. You can write it here. You can write it and post it to me through Messenger. I thank God for today. I believe we all have been blessed by what we saw and learned today. Help me to propagate what I said. Let there be an institute of Edo Art Works. In 2022, let Edo people be the whole institute of Edo Art Works. Let us be part of progress. Let us be part of development. Let us be good for our own people. Let us be supportive. Let us stop criticism. Let's put our minds and our hearts and our bellies together and make our people great. If we build the art institute or institute of Edo Arts, if we build it, our students go there and learn, and they come out, we enable them to start their own businesses. I promise you, in 5 years, we will see Edo people. Some other tribes are laughing at us. That Edo people, they don't know business. They don't do business. So I've seen Igbo people laughing at Edo people. I have some of their writings, and I can show it when the time comes. They're laughing at Edo people, that they're the one who own all the business in Benin. Yes. I mean, it's documented. I'm telling you now that we can do our own business too in our own way with the blessing from God Almighty. Let us build our own institute of Edo Art Works. And our Benin people who are gifted, they will go to the school and learn and start their own businesses. We enable them to start their own businesses, and Edo people shall be rich. It's God-given riches. Help me to propagate it. If you do, 1 hour, what don't give enough? 1 hour. Thomas, Kiga, Grandiose, when we die. Friday morning, when we die. Osaraboyi, when we die. Andrea Mato, when we die. Glory Yabo, when we die. I realize. Andrew about to Ruba. Lucky I bought if you women. Yeah, Savayobo. No, Holland, women. Patricia Waters, women. Wagumen we wear. Wabita me have babaki baby ye. Do my yaki. We are laho. Give me the bishop Waka. I'm with Sukudikbo. I get Gaou. I get one of Lion did money within Jesus Christi. Egiaou, or Lion Derry within Jesus Christi. I get Gaou. Oh, Gaou. Who will say about that is good, that is good, that is good, that is good, that is good. Oh, let me get the Mamma, get a bear. I might see a Besukuyo. I may bust so there, I may Yabo. But here, no cultural center. I don't know where a university na Kana. Oh, but nobody don't know what about boy. Uche yao, Chaya Baba, Jaya, Ibaya Balawe. Ibaya Balawe. My thing are weapon, Maya, to you, Awa. Woo! Oh, Salomon does it. What will you ever medical and I retire now? Or sure, even Salomon does it, no pass your bell. Ne do be muso odugugan ne do ana muso data na owo ugbo na gbe eva ekida do ye bo eha bedi mane do ba wa memia o la ora ma ko ra ma rion ne ma ya we no keke ka wo egba igbo fe gbe egba igbo pan igbo we egba ise gbe koto egba imohu egbe Salubalo Woodwa. Gimabe ahwe megbe la howo. Salubala howo. Salubala la howo. E mana we gia wu na we gia bia yo dere. Na make na we wo na wo. Na gbo we ma do na do we tomu. Na do we aba fiangbe. Ni ya salubala. Bini Jesus Christ. Wo. Isa. O ba e wa e don redo. O I to o ikpere kiti. Teriye amba. Ugari amba. Sọ̀rọ̀ bọ́lá yẹ pé ọdún kí ọ. Ọba ẹ̀pà tó pé ìfẹ́. Bí na ìtàsẹ̀ mẹ́rin ìrìn náà dé fi ọ̀nà dò ẹ̀. Mẹ́rin lọ́rọ́ tó tọ̀ ẹ́. Ìwà pé kì í yé dín náà. Ìrọ̀pẹ́ mẹ́rin ló dé mu. Ọmọ kì í yé dé wọ́n ẹ̀ ṣe lọ́dẹ. Ẹ̀dọ́. Lórí sọ̀rọ̀ bọ́ ìwé náà yé ọmọ o.